Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm here on this beautiful spring day to show you a home goods box that has 35 items in it, and it is brand new. Let's check it out and see what's in here. All right, the specs on this box is home goods. It's got Threshold, original MantleClip, Spritz for some of the name brands in it. It originally retails at $3.99. I paid $75 for it and then about $30 shipping. I did get a little bit of a shipping discount because I bought more than 3 boxes. It has 35 items in it, and so I am going to open this up and let's see what we got. So if you buy more than 3 boxes, a lot of times Bulk runs a special where you can get free shipping on one of the boxes or like free shipping on the 4th box. So just watch out for those because sometimes you can really save yourselves a lot of money by buying things that are discounted at the shipping rate. So, okay, I have seen a lot of these types of things. I'm very familiar with seeing some of these things. So we have got a Threshold oblong tablecloth, red, kind of red and silver. So good for the holiday times. Yay, I love these. These sell really well for me. These are Philips icicle lights. And even though you're thinking icicle lights, it's spring, what in the world? They are still really, really popular. So here's another box of the 70 icicle lights, pure white. And these usually, because they're brand new, are all in good working condition. So I've got multiples of these, and this is where my money's at. So I usually make really good money selling Christmas lights in the off season because people use it for a lot of other things like decorating their decks, in their carports, for special events, things like that. Here is the MantleClip. So obviously this is Christmas as well, but you can put this on a mantle and clip various different things. It doesn't have to always be stockings. It can be other things. So a lot of this stuff can be used year round. Here's another MantleClip, red in color. Menorah, anyone? 8 Crazy Nights. All right, so here's a menorah, Jewish celebration of the holidays. Let's see. Here's another pure white. So I've got, looks like 8 boxes of those so far. Then I've got a white oblong tablecloth. These are really, really nice because they're long. This is 60 inches by 104 inches. So you can check out Amazon or my eBay site for those. Here's another one, same size. So I have a very large dining room table, and sometimes it's hard to find the really, really long tablecloths that are good for entertaining. So this one's not as long. This one is a round one. It's 70 inches. So let me see. We've got window stick-ons. Oh, actually, no, this is sticker decor, but it's really fun because see all the different designs you can do. Now I'm going to flip it over and show you. People can decorate their refrigerators with it and various walls in their house. So that's kind of fun. Alrighty, then we've got a snowflake runner. So a lot of Christmas or holiday themed items. Here's another MantleClip. Another MantleClip. Kind of give you an idea of what those look like. Here is 28 count Valentines for Star Wars, and believe it or not, people still buy these in the off season. So a lot of people try to get them on the cheap in the off season. Here is a gift set, Bloody Mary gift set. So it doesn't have any alcohol in it, but it's got like the tomato juice and the onion and bacon hot sauce and the salt and the pickles. So here's another icicle lights. Here is some Valentine kit, Spritz Valentine kit, mailbox decorating kit for Valentine's. Here are some Valentine's table runners. And these can be used for various different things. If you got an engagement party or you've got, you know, just an anniversary, you can use heart runners. Here's another red tablecloth. Here is, what in the world? These are all little erasers. They're monster trucks. There's gray monster trucks, and they're very, very heavy, actually, believe it or not. But they've got the little rubber wheels and stuff, so they're really cute. So if I can't sell those are definitely going to go to my kid's school teacher. Here's another tablecloth. Let's see, another MantleClip. So the nice thing is it's not going to take me very long to list this stuff because I've got a lot of multiples. So here's another monster truck kit. Oh, bummer. This one is open. So it's brand new in condition, so I'll definitely take a picture of that and let both know that I got one that was opened. Here are unicorns, pony unicorns, erasers. Here is a table runner with reindeer on it. So definitely holiday themed. Random clip that was supposed to go to something, not sure. All right, and here's another one of those Bloody Mary tomato gift sets. So that is it in that box. There were 35 items, home goods, threshold, MantleClips, paid $75. Everything's brand new. I'm definitely going to for sure make my money up on these because I know I can make money on these. And some of the other stuff is in really good condition, so I'm really excited about it, and I think that I can make good money. If you need some help, check out my reseller program or my eBay store or my Poshmark store. And a lot of this I think I might actually be able to put on Amazon. So check it out if you want anything and see if I've listed it on Amazon. And remember, at the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.